Today, we will talk about Bitcoin price prediction 2025 to 2030. How high can it go? Bitcoin, the world's first and most dominant cryptocurrency, has captivated the financial world since its inception in 2009. Over the years, its price has seen dramatic highs and lows, making it both an attractive and volatile asset. From trading at mere cents to reaching an all-time high of over $68,000 in 2021, Bitcoin has consistently surprised investors with its unpredictable nature. Now, as we look ahead to the next decade, many investors, analysts, and institutions are trying to predict where Bitcoin's price will go between 2025 and 2030. Could Bitcoin reach new all-time highs and become a global financial asset? Or will regulatory challenges, technological advancements, and market dynamics limit its growth? This video explores Bitcoin's potential price trajectory for the years 2025 to 2030, considering all the key factors that could influence its growth. The impact of Bitcoin halving cycles on future prices. One of the most significant factors that drive Bitcoin's price over time is its halving cycle. Bitcoin halvings occur approximately every 4 years, reducing the block rewards miners receive for validating transactions. This built-in scarcity mechanism decreases the rate at which new Bitcoins are introduced into circulation, historically leading to bullish price movements in the following years. Looking at past halvings, we can see clear price surges that followed each event. The first halving in 2012 saw Bitcoin rise from around $12 to over $1,000 within a year. The second halving in 2016 led to a massive bull run that peaked at nearly $20,000 in late 2017. The third halving, which occurred in 2020, preceded the record-breaking rally that saw Bitcoin hit its all-time high of over $68,000 in 2021. The next halving is expected to take place in 2024, reducing mining rewards from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC per block. Based on historical trends, it is highly likely that Bitcoin will experience a significant price increase in the years following the 2024 halving, setting the stage for new highs in 2025 and beyond. Institutional adoption and the role of Bitcoin in the global economy. Over the last few years, institutional interest in Bitcoin has skyrocketed. Large corporations, hedge funds, and even governments have begun recognizing Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. The approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs in various countries has made it easier for traditional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly buying and holding the cryptocurrency. As institutional adoption continues, Bitcoin's price is expected to benefit significantly. Companies such as Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square have already added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, viewing it as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Central banks are also exploring the possibility of holding Bitcoin as a reserve asset, which could further drive demand. If more corporations and financial institutions integrate Bitcoin into their portfolios, its price could see exponential growth by 2025 and beyond. Another crucial aspect of Bitcoin's long-term price appreciation is its increasing role in the global financial system. As economic uncertainty and inflation concerns rise worldwide, Bitcoin is increasingly being viewed as digital gold. Its fixed supply of 21 million coins makes it a deflationary asset, unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed in unlimited quantities by central banks. If major economies face hyperinflation or economic instability, Bitcoin could see a surge in demand as investors seek a reliable store of value. The role of macroeconomic factors in Bitcoin's growth. The macroeconomic environment plays a vital role in Bitcoin's price movements. Interest rates, inflation levels, government debt, and global economic policies all contribute to investor sentiment regarding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Historically, Bitcoin has performed well in times of loose monetary policy and low interest rates, as investors search for high-yielding assets. However, when central banks tighten policies and increase interest rates, riskier assets like Bitcoin tend to experience sell-offs. Between 2025 and 2030, Bitcoin's price will be heavily influenced by global economic conditions. If inflation remains a concern and fiat currencies continue to lose purchasing power, Bitcoin could benefit significantly. Conversely, if governments implement strict regulations or if economic conditions improve dramatically, Bitcoin's price growth may slow down. The extent to which Bitcoin becomes integrated into mainstream finance will also determine how it reacts to global economic shifts. Bitcoin price predictions for 2025 to 2030. Looking ahead, analysts have provided various Bitcoin price predictions based on historical data, market cycles, and expected adoption trends. By 2025, many experts believe Bitcoin could reach new all-time highs, especially if the post-halving rally follows previous patterns. Some projections suggest Bitcoin could trade anywhere between $150,000 to $250,000 by 2025. If institutional adoption accelerates and Bitcoin becomes a widely accepted store of value, prices could even exceed these estimates. Between 2026 and 2027, Bitcoin could experience a correction period, as seen in previous cycles. While short-term fluctuations are expected, Bitcoin's long-term growth potential remains strong. By 2028, another halving event will take place, further reducing the supply of new Bitcoins and likely leading to another bull run in the following years. By 2030, Bitcoin could potentially reach prices between $500,000 and $1 million per coin. Some financial experts, such as Kathy Wood of ARK Invest, have predicted that Bitcoin could surpass $1 million by the end of the decade if it continues to capture market share from traditional financial assets like gold. If global financial instability increases, Bitcoin's adoption as a hedge against economic downturns could push its price even higher. Potential risks and challenges. Despite its potential for massive growth, Bitcoin also faces significant risks that could impact its price trajectory. Regulatory crackdowns in major economies could limit Bitcoin's accessibility and slow down institutional adoption. Governments could introduce strict taxation policies or ban Bitcoin transactions altogether, making it difficult for individuals and businesses to use it. Another major challenge is competition from other cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies. While Bitcoin remains the dominant cryptocurrency, faster and more scalable blockchain networks, such as Ethereum and Solana, are gaining traction. If these platforms develop superior financial applications, Bitcoin's dominance could be challenged. Technological risks, such as advancements in quantum computing, could also pose a threat to Bitcoin's security. While Bitcoin's blockchain is currently one of the most secure in the world, future innovations in computing power may require upgrades to maintain its security and integrity. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.